Now, the next function we're going to look at is going to be the vertical split function. That allows us to split information that is sitting within the same sheet into multiple sheets. Now, the caveat with this is that that information needs to be in a specific format. So if we have a look here at the group TB sheet, right, we will then see that we have in the first two columns, we have our account number and our account description, and then we have the TBs of each of the four companies in our group, right? Now, if the case was that I wanted to move each of these into separate sheets or even separate Excel documents, I would have to go through a lot of manual copying and pasting, right? Now, we've built into the audit toolbar the ability to split these four sheets into new sheets while still keeping the first two columns next to each of them, right? So what we will do is we'll select the vertical split function over here. And what you will see is it asks us to please select the columns that you want to split. Now, what it means here is which of these columns, headers, right, within the table do you want to split out into separate sheets? So if I go ahead and I select all of these columns from column C, which is company one, to column F, which is company four, right? That would mean that everything to the left of it, it will be pulling through as the initial data. And then it's going to pull through company one as the first item in one sheet. Then it's going to pull through company two with that information on the left on as the next sheet and so on and so on. So let's have a look at the results. We'll press OK. We'll see the audit toolbar is going to work for a second and then it pulls out that information. Let's go back to the group TB. We see we've got company 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can then see that the new sheets that have been added are according to the naming of these headers, right? So in company 1, we would be expecting company one's items over there with these two columns. Next thing with company two, the same thing. With company three, the same. And company four, the same. So that's the use case of this tool. Perfect. Let's have a look at the next item.